How to get 12-hour or 24-hour time format on your mobile. It's a very easy and simple process to learn it. You have to watch this video till the very end. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open up your mobile settings. And guys, I want to say something to you. After watching this video, if you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And once you're on your mobile settings, now scroll down until you find general management. So tap on general management, and then here you'll get bunch of options, and one of is date and time. Tap on it, and then here you'll get use 24-hour format. If you wanna get 24-hour time format, then enable this toggle. And here you can see that my time format has been changed. And if you want to use 12-hour format, then disable this toggle. And then as you can see that my time format has been changed. And that's how you can switch your time format on your mobile. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.